Okay, so welcome to the next episode. We're going to be going to Matheson Falls, or trying to. I hear that it's closed because the road in is closed. Now, I got the mighty little Ford Ranger here, and if there's a way, I'm going to try. So, it might be more about the four-wheeling than the hiking on this one, but we're going to try for Matheson Falls. And if not, we have a plan B.
Well, this appears to be where the bridge got washed out, according to rumors. But we have a 4x4 trail. I don't see the problem.
Well, I should have filmed that. I'm pretty proud of what this little truck just climbed. I just put it into 4 low and locked the rear end and did something that was similar to the steep hill at Travers, except for up a rocky hill and up in a curve. So kind of cool. We're committed. Okay, so you just saw me just thrash my truck. I'm so proud of it. Buy a Ford Ranger, they're so worth it. What a beast that little truck is. And I found a waterfall. I don't think this is Matheson Falls, but I found an amazing waterfall. Just kidding. That's it right there. I'll get you a better shot. Okay, so I'm gonna drop a pin on this one. I don't know what waterfall this is, but it is really beautiful. No way, this is just totally paid off. I have found a bridge across the big river, the waterfall we just saw. I think I can get the truck across, and that's gonna get me to the road that had the other washed out bridge. Now, it's gonna be really sketchy, I'm so scared. But this is the best Explorer yet. Thank you, little Ford Ranger. Okay, don't blame me for being like an overhyped kind of YouTube guy. From below, it kind of looks sketchy, but from here, it's not that bad. I'll show you. Okay, I'm super stoked I got in here. I mean, even just the 4x4 was kind of fun. So let's do the hike. It's been closed for a couple years, so the trail might be in bad shape, but we'll see. Oh, I got a caution sign already. Okay, thank heavens for All Trails. I'd be barefoot by now if it wasn't for All Trails. Okay, so that sign that I just showed you, you don't go right of that, you go up this little creek bank, and we go up this small little trail here. Wrong turn. Thanks, All Trails. Okay, I think I found another waterfall. This, I don't think, is actually the falls. Here, I'll show you here. We got some janky hiking here to do on some crazy rocks. There's a little fall there. There's a fall there. Wow, what a spot. Wow. My gosh. Another new favorite. I cannot believe the size of this. Wait till you see. It's amazing. I'm gonna have to look up to see how tall this one is. I have no idea. The camera doesn't do justice how tall this is. And there's like a steady stream, you can see by these trees, of wind just from the motion of the water and this mist. I'm speechless almost. So I'll give you a waterfall smile, but it deserves more. Okay, so I better boogie out of here. I'm gonna leave you with this though. So because we're on the BC side, that means that we're on the west side of the continental Great Divide. All this water is gonna end up flowing to the Pacific. But anytime that I'm filming something such as like Bow Falls or anything on the Alberta side, all of that water is gonna flow to the Atlantic. So something cool to consider about the vastness of the continent of North America. Okay, so I kind of want to get out of here because it's raining and this will make it super slippery on the rocks. I had to crawl up and out on, so I'm hoping I can get out of here. But wow, that was a spectacular 4x4 session and hike and waterfall. 11 thumbs up. Well, I'm going to call that the end of the Matheson Falls one. I don't know how long the video is going to get because there's going to be a lot of fun 4x4ing video I'm going to have to cut in. It's so much fun. I recommend it. You got to have a decent truck, and with the water flow right now, the falls are absolutely spectacular. Any photos I've seen of it do not do justice of what you see today if you go.